So here we are recording this bathtub. Previous plumber came here and did the job on here. I think they've patched it 2 times and haven't been able to find the leak. So we came here, we find it now. It's leaking at the overflow drain kit at the drain part where the tub sits at. So I'm just recording this video so you can see it. Fernando, he's located the leak. It's on the actual drain. I'm gonna try to see if I can remove it and line it up correctly. If not, I'll have to replace it, sir. So let's get another view from over here. You can actually see it much better from this side though.